going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. My name is Adam. Thank you for clicking on the video, and if you guys are new here, welcome to Accelerated Motion. In today's video, we are going to be discussing sound system enhancements that will be going on to my 2013 BMW E92 M3. I'm proud to announce a new partnership with a company called BavSound. BavSound is one of the leading aftermarket sound system solutions for BMW and Mini. With 70 plus years of car audio industry and BMW specific experience, they are the world's best plug-and-play solution for your BMW. I am super stoked for this upgrade because this is something that I've been wanting to do to the car since I've owned it. And the current sound system that's in the car now is not very good. This is going to take it to the next level. So I've got a care package here from BavSound that we're gonna be unboxing in today's video. Let's get to it. Now, this is one of two boxes that are coming from BavSound. It's going to be a complete plug-and-play solution for my M3. So we've got a couple things in this one here. This is kind of what the packaging looks like. Super nice, high-quality stuff. This looks like a mid-range driver. So we've got a pair of speakers in here. There's another set of mid-range drivers. Additionally, we've got an 8-inch Ghost under-seat subwoofer. So this is going to be a subwoofer on each side, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side here. And there's also one other thing here in the box. This looks like here's a pair of tweeters right here as well. So this is going to be a complete solution and a nice upgrade from my current standard hi-fi sound system that's currently in the M3. So we're gonna go ahead and show you what we all got in all of these boxes. But basically, this is gonna be, let's see, 2, 4 mid-range, and then tweeters for the upper range, and then 2 Ghost subs. Again, these two go underneath the seats, one for the driver, one for the passenger. And the second shipment that is going to be on the way is going to be for the actual amplifier, and that is probably their best-selling item, and apparently it makes a huge difference. All right, so we're going to be doing a couple different install videos once we get the additional box from BavSound. We're going to start off with the amplifier first because I think that's going to have the biggest impact, and that will still work with the existing standard hi-fi system that's currently in the car. That's one of their most popular items, and so it's kind of on back order right now, so we're waiting for that one to get here. But so that'll be one install video there. Then we're going to add some of the speakers and see what the impact is and how that changes the system. And then finally we're going to do another video with installing the actual subwoofers underneath. And so that will be the entire plug-and-play solution, and I think it's going to be awesome. Super excited for this. So let's go ahead and open up all of these boxes and show you guys what we have on the inside. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start off with opening one of these subwoofers here. Super nice packaging. Obviously don't want to screw any of this up. A couple different instructions here. We'll get to that another time. And if we open this up, wow. That looks awesome. It's not very heavy either, so that is gonna fit nicely underneath the driver's seat or passenger seat, whatever the case may be. Super nice. All right, next up, mid-range. Look at that. Plug-and-play solution. Super clean. Super nice. Now we were doing tweeters. Super nice packaging too. Wow, super nice, super clean. Look at that. Love it. I am so stoked to get this on the car, guys. Cannot wait. Boom, fast forward a couple days. We've got another package here from BavSound, so let's go ahead and open this up. So this is the 1300 watt intelligent amplifier, the Revenant from BavSound. So this is the final piece of the puzzle, and we can finally get onto the install, but this is basically what it looks like. And I'll go into more, further details about each product. I'm going to spread this out into a couple different videos. That way I can talk about each product while I'm installing it and kind of give you guys an idea of the changes that each one will actually make. So here's the amplifier. Pretty clean looking. Revenant. All the connectors. So should be a quick and easy install on that as well. Here's the entire stage 1 speaker kit, as well as the Ghost subwoofers. So we have everything we need for that, and we've got the amplifier there. If you guys want to build a kit like this, you can actually go to BavSound.com and actually build your own kit. Down here you can hit get started, and then you can actually select your make. So they do things for BMW, for Mini, and then you obviously put your year in here. So I'm gonna act like I'm building mine, so it's a 2013, and that's an M3, and it's a coupe. Hit next. So the first part is to figure out what sound system you currently have in your car, because they've got a couple different options depending on what you currently have and how your car is currently wired. So again, my car, I've already discovered, is the standard hi-fi. You can actually plug in your VIN number. They can actually tell you what kind of system you already have currently in your car. So this is what I have, is the hi-fi, but you may have the Logic 7, you may have the Harman Kardon, you may have one of these other ones, the enhanced premium sound. I actually had this in my previous M3, and they do have sound solutions for that as well. And there's also the bass audio, which is not available in the US. And they also have the bass audio, which apparently is not available in the US except for the 2010 and some 2011 models. But basically, mine is the hi-fi. So if you click on this, it'll tell you what your options are in terms of upgrades for this particular sound system. And so what we have here is the complete solution. Basically, we have over here the stage 1 speaker upgrade. So again, it's going to come with 2 tweeters and 4 mid-range. Additionally, we are getting the Revenant amplifier upgrade. Pricing you can see right there. And then we're also getting right here the BavSound Ghost BMW under-seat subwoofers. And so this is the 2 ohm, and we've got a pair of those. So depending on what your current system is in the car, some of these items may change. Like I know if you've got the premium sound system, you may have the option to have the Ghost under-seat subwoofers that are 8 ohm. So it just kind of depends on what system you currently have in the car, but all their pricing is right there. Super nice, high quality stuff. Gets a lot of really great reviews on M3 Post, and you know, I've talked to other guys that actually run a BavSound system, and they love it. They think it's even better than the premium sound system that comes from BMW. And if you wanted to follow them on Instagram, it's BavSound on their IG page. So definitely go check them out, give them a follow. So we've got all of the pieces to the puzzle for this install. It should be pretty simple. Again, it's a plug and play solution. So I'm really stoked and excited to see what the differences are. So stay tuned for a multi-part series coming soon. If you guys have any questions on these particular products for the time being, please let me know. Otherwise, we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.